This short video tutorial will show you how to set up and register the AlertFox iDrone, how to use the iMacros plugin for Firefox to record a web session, and finally we'll conclude with creating and testing a sensor in AlertFox using the iDrone zone for monitoring location. We've already downloaded and installed the iDrone on a dedicated virtual machine. For more information, please visit our AlertFox help page that provides the iDrone requirements and a series of short videos and tutorials. Setting up your iDrone is easy. First, click Check to test the connection to the AlertFox main server. Every iDrone needs to be registered with a certain name. In your AlertFox sensor settings, this name is offered for selection when creating a sensor. The following string authenticates your iDrone's communication with the AlertFox server. You can find it in your AlertFox account. Click the following link to log into your account and open the iDrone tab. Select and copy the authentication string. Registering your iDrone simply means that AlertFox is informed about this iDrone and connects it to your AlertFox account. Depending on your system resources, you can increase or decrease the number of macros that may be run in parallel. Finally, save your settings. The iDrone operation is where you can trigger your iDrone so it starts or stops actually performing measurements. Now your iDrone is set up and started to monitor transactions behind the firewall. After registration, you can see the iDrone in your account's iDrone tab. More importantly, you can then select the iDrone in any iMacros settings. Sensors assigned to that iDrone will then be performed on your iDrone instead of your normal test servers in the US, Europe, or in the Asia-Pacific region. The next step will be to use the iMacros plugin for Firefox to record a web session that we can use later for creating a sensor in AlertFox. We've already installed the iMacros plugin for Firefox in our browser. You can download the plugin from the AlertFox site or from the Mozilla Add-on page. Lower left you will find the tools to capture, playback and edit your recording. We are going to use iMacros to record a simple Google search session. You can see the session details being captured in iMacros. Stop the recording and save it. Now we can use the recorded macro to create and test a sensor in AlertFox using the iDrone zone. Choose the Sensors tab to create a new iMacros sensor. We call it Google Search, and to keep it simple, we'll accept the default values for interval and timeout. Now select your iDrone as the zone where your sensor should be executed from. The next step will be to add the recording to AlertFox. Now let us test the sensor. As you can see, the AlertFox server is sending measurements to the iDrone. The sensor test has been completed successfully. Now you are ready to start monitoring your transaction using the iDrone zone. Thanks for watching!